everyone, it's me again, Jonna. Welcome back to Online English TV. In today's video, we will learn the differences between either or and neither nor. I already explained neither of and either of in my last grammar video. That was a part of my distributive pronouns video. If you want to learn more about it, then click the link in the description box. Are you now ready to know the differences between either or and neither nor? You can learn that in a few minutes. Stay tuned. Either or and neither nor are used when referring to two choices. However, either or is used in a sentence in the affirmative sense when referring to a choice between two possibilities. What is affirmative sense? It means positive sense. You cannot see words like no, don't, didn't, isn't, etc. Now I'll give you an example sentence where you can use either or. Here you go. We can either have Korean food or Japanese food. It's up to you. Alright, in this sentence you can see there are two choices, positive choices. So you can choose each one of them. It's either this one or this one. Either Korean food or Japanese food. Another sentence. Either the manager or the secretary has to attend the meeting. It means either one of them. Either the manager or the secretary. Both are okay. Positive sense. Okay, now let's compare that with neither nor. Neither nor pattern, on the other hand, is used in a sentence in the negative sense. It means when you want to say that two or more things are not true. No possibilities. All right, here is an example sentence. Neither Alex nor Paul came to the party. It means none of them. See, negative. You don't have to say no, not Alex, not Paul, because when you use neither nor, it means negative already. All right, one more example. Neither my father nor my mother supported my decision. So my father and my mother did not support my decision. So you cannot see did not there, didn't, because if you use neither or no, it means negative already. So again, take note of the pattern. Either is actually partner with or. Neither is partner with nor. You cannot interchange them. It means you cannot say either nor or neither or. Got it? Alright, and that'll be all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Help your friends learn English too. Share this video with them. I hope this video helped you, so don't forget to give a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, then subscribe and click the notification bell. Be the first person to watch my video. See you! Thank you for watching.